Hey there everyone, welcome to the Mac Essentials, your go-to channel for everything Mac related. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we bring you best tips, tricks and guides to make your Mac experience seamless. And in this video, I will be showing you how to download, install and activate Microsoft Office in your Mac in just a few simple steps. And in this video, actually, I will be covering two methods, not one. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's start with method number one. I'm assuming that you already have Microsoft Office license available, or you might have bought it in past. So all you need to do is you need to go to Microsoft.com and then you need to sign in. So here you can see I have already signed in, and let me actually zoom in a bit so that it is more visible. Now all we need to do here is we need to click on our profile, and then after clicking on your profile you need to click on my Microsoft account, and then if we go here in subscription, which is on the left, so here I can see Office Home and Student 2021 that I bought, or I would say I got with my Windows laptop. So let's simply click here on install. Again, let me click on install, and there we go. Here we can see the process of download has begun. And I guess you can also install Office from App Store directly. So for that, let me click here on menu button and let's type App Store. Now let's look for Office and let's say 2021, and here we will only see this Office, which is Microsoft 365. Let's click on it. So if you want to install this one, you can have this one also. So all you need to do is you need to click on get and then click on install, and then here you need to enter your Apple ID and then click on get. And then here it says that you have already purchased some of item on Microsoft 365. I sure want to purchase the entire bundle. So if you have not purchased it before, you can go for it. But since I already have, I'm not going to buy it. So in this particular scenario, I will be installing it from Chrome. So let me make a double click here, and this will kick in this Office installer. So all I need to do is I need to click on continue. Then here I need to accept or agree terms and condition. And then here it is all, I would say, typical setup that we generally see. And click on install. Here you may require to enter your password and then click on install. And in this way guys, here we can see we are installing Microsoft Office. And we will also talk about Office Online, which is absolutely free guys after we completely install it. If in case you want to give it a try, or you just want to use free version, so that is also there. And there we go. So here we can see we have successfully installed Microsoft Office. Now let me click here on close, and I can move the installer to trash now. Now you can see that it started automatically and it is checking for more updates, and it says that there are 4. So up to us, if we want to update them. So let's click here on update. Let's go for the latest version. Okay, great. So meanwhile this will keep on installing. Let me minimize it, and I can go down here and can look for the newly installed Microsoft Office apps, for example Word. So let me type Word on the top, and there we go. Let's click on it, and here we can see we have successfully installed Microsoft Office in our system. So let me click here on new blank document. Let's click on create, and that's how guys, here we can see our Office is ready to use. Now let me talk about another method. Let's say you do not want to buy Office, which is using it online. And the best way I would say is to create a desktop like experience, even let's say we are using Office online. For that you require to download a browser which is known as Microsoft Edge. Okay, so the thing is Microsoft Edge browser let you create apps. Okay, And if we talk how we need to install Microsoft Edge, I would say it is pretty easy. And then again, I'm gonna say it is totally up to you if you want to access Microsoft Office directly online, or you want to download this browser and want to create an app like experience. So it's up to you. You can simply go to Microsoft Edge and download it from Mac, and then the process of installation is pretty easy. So after installing Edge browser, let's open it. And now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna open office.com. Okay, let's hit enter. Now after opening Office, you're gonna see this page. Let's say you are visiting this site for the first time and you do not have any Microsoft account, then you can do sign up for free version of Microsoft Office. And then creating account is very straightforward process, and I believe you can do it. If you have any problem, then please do let me know in comment down below. Now let me go back and let's click on sign in. Now here I'm gonna enter my ID and let's click on next. Now we need to enter a password that we recently created, or if you already have. Let's click on stay signed in, click on yes, and there we go. So here we can see the Microsoft Office 365 is available, and this one is free version, where not only you're gonna get one of the best productivity app available in the market, but 5 gigabyte of free cloud storage. Now every time opening Edge browser, then opening Microsoft Office website is pretty hectic. So let's make it easier by installing it as an app. So for that, let's click here on these three dots and then go to apps. Then click on this option which says that install this site as an app. Okay, now you can rename it. I'm gonna keep it Microsoft Office for ease, that's how we know this. Now let's click on install. It's totally up to you, and you will see that this app is installed in your system. Now here you also can see the app is also added to your dock, or you can manually do it by simply dragging it and placing it here. Okay, now I'm gonna close everything and let's simply click on this app, and there we have it. Now you are ready to go. Let's say you would like to create a Word document, simply click on it and this will open Word. Okay, and there we go, we are ready to use. Now let's make it full screen, and now here we can see the complete version of. So that's all guys from my side. In this video we discussed two different methods of installing Microsoft Office. One is free, another one is paid, and with free version also we can do everything. And seems like there are certain AI related features are also available here. For example, this, let's say I would like to create a notes, I may able to simply click on it, and there we go. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to the Mac Essential for macOS productivity related video, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.